Good afternoon, children. Once again, I welcome you for today's class. Today, we are going to do lesson number 5, multiplication. Children, to do this lesson, you have to open your textbook, page number 29, and take a new page, that is a fresh page in your notebook, math notebook, and you have to write on the top there, page 29, and write the heading, lesson 5, multiplication. Okay, children? Let's begin our exercise, which is given on page number 29. After writing the heading and the date, put today's date, write the heading, then write down the first question. Question number 1, multiply the following. Children, we are doing this in the lattice method. Now see how to do multiplication. You will write down the question first, 53 into 8. After that, you will make this box this way. In the first box, you will put the multiplication sign, and then we have the 53 over there. That 53, the way we read, you have to split up and write it 50 and 3. Can you see there? 50 and 3 on the top we have written that 53 is split up and wrote as 50 and 3, and 8 is written in the below box, below the multiplication sign. Now what you have to do is, now you have to, with this 8, we have to multiply this 50 first, and then with 8 you have to multiply 3 and write the answers below. Okay, children, now let's see how to do it. Now first one, 8 into 5, it is 40, and 8 into 0 is 0. So the answer will be 8 into 50 is 400. Understood, children? Now 8 into 3, next one, 8 into 3, 8 3 is how much? 24. So children, how to do it? This way you have to write. After making the column this way, then you are going to make another small column and write in that the answers which you got, 424. Only the answers which you have got, that we are going to write 400 plus 24 and do the addition. When you add it, you will get the answer 424. After you get the answer 424, we are going to write the answer up on that line dash which is given there in the question, that is there up there. 53 into 8 is equal to 424. Do you understand, children, how to do this sum? Come on, now let's do the second sum. Same way, first write down the question, 25 into 9. Now this 25 you have to split up. It will become 20 and 5. The way we read 25 we are saying, so we will write in that way only 20 and 5. Okay, so make the column. Can you see how to make the column? In this way, write first multiplication sign, then write 20 and 5, and in the below box we will write 9. Now you multiply 9 and 20. 9 zeros will 0 and 9 twos are 18. So the answer will be 180. And then the next will be 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. After we write that, then make the box and write 180 plus 45. The answer will be 225. After getting the answer here, we have to write in the dash on the top 225. Now let's do the third sum, 86 into 5. Again here we have to split up 86. 86 will become 80 and 6, and 5 will take down. Now we have to multiply 5 and 80. So 5 zeros are 0 and 5 8s are 40. So answer will be 400, and 5 6s are 30. Now again make a box on the side for addition. Now we will write 400 plus 30. The answer will be 430. After that, again write the answer on the top in the dash, 430. Understood, children? Now let's do the fourth sum, 75 into 11. So we'll make the box, we'll split up 75, that is 70 and 5. Now multiply 11 and 70. So 11 zeros are 0 and 11 sevens are 77, that is 770 is the answer, and 11 5s are 55. Now make a small box on the side for addition, 770 plus 55, the answer will be 825. And then write the answer in the dash, 825. Did you understand, children, how to do? Now see the next sum, fifth sum. Fifth sum, 41 into 14. So we will split up first 41, that is 40 into 1. Then multiply 14 into 40. 14 zeros are 0 and 14 fours are 560, and 14 ones are 14. Then do the addition on the side, draw the box and do 560 plus 14. The answer will be 574. Write the answer on the top, 574. Now the sixth sum, 68 into 12. Again make the box, split up 68, that is 60 into 8, and then write 12. Now multiply 12 into 60. 12 zeros are 0 and 12 6 are 72 and 12 8s are 96. Now do the addition on the side, 720 plus 96. The answer will be 816. Write the answer on the top, 816. Understood, children, how to do it? These all sums you have to write in your maths notebook. Now let's do the next sum, which is given on page number 30. Carry out the following multiplication. Now children, here we are not going to do the solving. We are going to do the sum directly. Now how to do directly? See here. The first sum it is given. First question is 4h into 5. Now here h means 100. 100 means how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay children. So it will be 4 5s are 20. 20h. So in place of h we will write 20 there. So it will be 20 and 20. The answer will be 2000. Did you understand, children? Now say the second sum. 20 into 3h. Now if you see 20 into 3, 20 into 3, 60, and h means 2 zeros. H means 100, that is 2 zeros, so the answer will be 6000. Did you understand, children? Now the third sum, 40 into 5. So we will do 40 into 5. 40 into 5 it will be 200. And then we will add these 2 zeros also, so the answer will be 20,000. Now the fourth sum. The other way to do is, if you cannot multiply directly 40 into 5 or something like that, so you can do 4 into 5, 20, and there are 3 zeros there, so write the 3 zeros at the end. Now same way in the fourth sum. What is 8 6 are? 8 6 are 48, so we'll write 48, and then how many zeros are there down here in the question? There are 1 2 3 zeros, so we'll add 3 zeros. Did you understand, children, how to do it? So answer will be 48,000. Now fifth sum, 35 into 200. Here 35 2s is 35 into 2, it is 70, and then the 2 zeros will add, it will become 7000. Sixth one, 100 into 70, it will be 7000. 7 into 100 is 700, and the 0 of the 70 is 7000. Now see the seventh sum, 7h into 2. So here h means 200, so we have to write 20, and 7 2s are 14. So it will be 1400. Okay children. Now the eighth sum. Here it will be 2 3s are 6 or 23s are 60, and then the 2 0. So the answer will be 6000. Now the ninth sum. 600 into 30. So first we'll do 6 3s are, that is 18, and then we'll write these 3 zeros. The answer will be 18,000. Now the 10th sum, 900 into 20. So 9 2s are 18, and the 3 zeros which are there in the question, that will write down, so it will become 18,000. Now the 11th sum, 600 into 42. So first we'll write down the 2 zeros which are there in the 600. First we'll write down the 2 0. Then 6 2s are 18, 1 carry, 6 4s are 24, and 1. The answer will be 2520. And the last one, the 12th sum, is 15 into 2000. So 15 2s are is 30, and these 3 zeros will write, so answer will be 30,000. So children, now all these sums you have to write in your maths notebook.